mother, Sakshi Khetan, with a huge round of applause. Please.
The day was bright. The day was sunny. Birds were chirping. The day was full of joy, happiness, and cheery. Every one of my family was in the hospital. They were waiting, expecting. They were expecting me. Yes, that was the day I was born. My first cry made my grandmother rush to the labor room. My father was standing by the door. She excitedly asked him, "Is it a boy or a girl? Ladka hua ya ladki?" Then my father moved away from the door. Let my grandmother see me. Then he told her, "Nahi, golgappa hua hai." Yes, I was fat, I was round, and I was fuzzy too. Well, I guess I haven't changed much, or have I? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sakshi Khetan, your Toastmaster for this evening. When I was in cradle, gangling and mumbling, my grandmother told something very important to my father. She said, "Beta, I see something in her. I don't know what it is, but we will find it out." Then, guys, believe me when I say that from that day, everyone I have met has seen something in me. From my very childhood, I was a very naughty kid. बहुत बदमाश थी मैं. And guys, believe me when I say that, घर में तोड़ने लायक हर एक चीज मैं तोड़ चुकी थी. I actually did it. Fed up with my all badmashis, one day my father took me to his Gurudev. When Gurudev first saw me, he was completely shocked. He looked at me for a long time. Then he looked at me and then at my father and then he looked at me again and then at my father and then he finally spoke. "Beta, I see something in you. I don't know what it is, but we will find it out." That was the second time. That was the second time someone said me the exact same words. Well, I grew up. Eventually, I was admitted to the school, and on the very second day of my school, my principal, with great shock, surprise, bewilderment, astonishment, called my father to the school with utmost helplessness. I don't know what my principal told to my father, but when I went into the principal's cabin, I saw my father every now and then nodding his head like an obedient child. Well, I was standing by my father's side. He looked at me. Oh boy, that was some look. Taking a deep breath, he spoke. He told, "Beta, I see something in you. I don't know what it is, but we will find it out." Time flew like a gentle breeze, but there was nothing gentle about my growing up. And not to mention, people continued to see something in me. They don't know what it was, but they will find it out. Now I'm a teenager and I'm happy. I'm happy with my friends. I'm happy with my teachers. I'm happy with my surrounding. I'm happy with my school. And people continue to see something in me. They don't know what it was, but they will find it out. One day, my class teacher came to me and looked at me. I know this look. It wasn't a good sign for me. Then he spoke to me. "There's a thing. I want you to perform this speech," and handed me a bit of paper. Baap re, in that December winter, I can feel the sweat rolling down from my forehead. पेट में अजीब से गुड़गुड़ हो रहे थे. मेरी तो हालत खराब थी. Phew, I gathered courage. In my mind, sing the only bhajan I knew. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता. Then asked him, why me? My class teacher, who happened to be reincarnation of Yamraj himself, spoke. In his profound deep voice, he spoke, Beta, I see something in you. I don't know what it is, but we will find it out. So, there will be always someone in your life who will pick you up, make you stand up, and always bring the best out of you. They will see something in you.